and agencies, captains of issued by His Excellency Fubara, Grand Service Star of River State.
Thank you. Mrala, nda ekubaba inochi.
Someone needs to hold this door. Someone needs to hold this door. Which side? Are we going to?
Yes, we are going to the what?
Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, what we're doing here now is a continuation of what we did about an hour ago. It was a bit difficult for us. Ordinarily, we would have combined the two together. We're here, like I said before, we came, we saw. Let me say now, we added and we're opening. I want to urge everyone to understand that the business of governance is purely about the people, the welfare of the people. So I'm not going to say any other thing because it will be like repetition of what I've said before. But I want to respond to what the NMA chairman said. We are aware of the issue of manpower, and I know quite all right that we are going to resolve that issue. The only problem we are having is the board for the teaching hospital has not been reconstituted. The board of the health management board too, we also have not reconstituted them. So we can't do those employments, but we have a quota for you in the 10,000 employment schedule for that state. So you don't need to worry. By the special grace of God, in no distance time, we are going to constitute those commission and board, and the employment to resolve the issue of manpower will be taken care of. For the other approvals that you said, I know quite all right that the Minister of Finance have been treating everything that has to do with the medical services. You're enjoying a lot of money this period, which is even part of the problem that we're having. The bloated salary bill we have is from medical officers. So just bear with us. The remaining part of it, we're going to resolve it. Let me say that for every one of you that is going to work here, that is going to manage this facility, take it as a personal property. Protect it. Government is about you. It is your money, the taxpayer money. The money we deduct from your payee. This is what we use to do these things. So if you don't protect it, you're not doing yourself any good. For our people that are here, you know me, I'm a dope boy. Yeah. I'm a dope boy. I grew up here and I grew up in Okozo. This is my area now. We want to appeal to you. This facility is your facility. It is put together, upgraded, remodeled, and brought back to this state for your own use. Protect it. Don't encourage any act of vandalism. That is what you owe government. Government is not just about those people who sit in the comfort of the government house. It's everybody's business. No matter how little you can contribute, putting it together with what we are also going to bring on the table is the success of governance. So I'm appealing to everybody, be a partner in forwarding, forging ahead, protecting, and achieving that desired river state of our dream. It is a duty of every one of us. Let me thank you because I've seen your support. You're happy that we're doing this. And at the end, the reward is not for us. It's for God and the well-being of our people. Let me on this note thank our elders that are giving us this support at this most critical time and invite you to join me. Because it's important for us to open so that we can put it to good use. Thank you.